Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is Pawan, your chemistry lecturer, and I am going to teach 8th standard in this video, combustion and flame. So I already completed this chapter, combustion and flame. In this video I am going to discussing some questions in that exercise questions. Okay, I already sent the notes to you. Okay, so just open the page number 133. Okay, list the conditions. The first question is like that: list the conditions under which combustion can take place. I repeat, list the conditions under which combustion can take place. So combustion need some requirements. So that requirements or needs is first one is fuel. What ma? Fuel. And next is ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. And third one is air. So these are the requirements for the combustion purpose. So next is second question, fill in the blanks. The A, burning of wood and coal causes dash of air. So in that dash you have to fill pollutions. So the burning of wood and coal produces smoke, right? In that smoke, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, some oxides of sulfur, nitrogens are there. Now this harmful products causes the air pollutions. Okay. Next, B, a liquid fuel used in homes is dashed. In earlier days we have to use the liquid fuels, that is kerosene, but nowadays liquid fuel is second, that of LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. For the second B, that is a liquid fuel used in homes, that is LPG. Nowadays we have to use this LPG. LPG is a gas, but that present inside the cylinder, that is in liquid state. That's why answer is LPG. Okay. So next, C, fuel must be heated to its dash and dash. Ignition in that first temperature, in the first dash we have to fill as ignition. This is ignition. And second one is temperature. This is first dash and this is second dash. Okay, ignition and temperature before it starts burning. Next, D, fire produced by oil cannot be controlled by water. So this is a very important mark. Why the dash is you have to fill with the water. Why? This boiling point or your density of the water is less than that oil. That's why water density is more. Why? Because this water is present present at the below the oil is in the upper side, but water is in downside. That's why water is not suitable for extinguishes the fire while using the oils and the electrics also. So this is the water conducts the electricity, and this water density is more than oil. That's why water is not used as a extinguisher. Okay. Next, third one. Explain how the use of CNG in automobiles has reduced the pollution in our cities. So you have to consider petroleum products like petrol, diesel. Right now, this petrol and diesel produces harmful products, or somewhat more amount of harmful products. That means sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides. But this CNG produces less amount of harmful products. That's why, and also this CNG is also a cleaner of fuel. That's why CNG is preferable for the automobiles. Next, compare the LPG and wood as a fuels. So LPG and wood. So this LPG produces more amount of heat, high heat. When compared to wood, this is less heat. So the transport and storage is easy. Storage and transport is easy. But this storage and transport is difficult, right? So next, one more thing is this LPG does not leave any ashes. Does not produces ash, but this wood produces ash. Right. So this is the difference or comparison. So next is fifth one. Give reasons. Water is not used to control fires involving electrical equipments. Why? Because water conducts electricity. So while this electrical equipments catches the fire, you have to use the carbon dioxide gas. If you use the water, this is dangerous. In that water, the electricity is conducts. This is dangerous to who extinguishes that fire. Okay. Next, LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Here is the comparisons. So this is the answer. Why? Because this wood is produces smoke and ashes and some releases more amount of harmful products. But this LPG does not produce harmful products when compared to wood and easy to transport. These are all the answer. Next, papers by itself catches fire easily, whereas a piece of paper wrapped around an aluminium pipe does not. So this is the paper catches easily fire. Why? Because the ignition temperature of the paper when compared to this aluminium wrapped paper is high. Paper ignition temperature is high. Okay, now only paper. When this paper is covered with the or wrapped with the aluminium, that means low ignition temperature. Low ignition temperature means this is the process to decrease the ignition temperature. That's why lately this catches the fire when compared to only paper. Next, sixth one. Make a label diagram of candle flame. So this is very important, ma. So see, so this is the candle. In this candle flame like this. Okay. So the outside of the flame is in blue color. This is very hot region. Hot or highest hot, high temperature. So midlist is in a red in color. Okay. Now I don't have a red color. That's why I am going to fill this green color. Okay. Instead of green, you have to fill the red color. Okay. Like this. Red color. So inside the or inner side that is yellowish color. That is I am filling the blue color, but you have to fill the yellow color. So this is a moderate temperature, and finally inside the flame is a low temperature. So these are the answer. In the next video, I will discuss the remaining questions. Okay. Thank you.